Common causes and fixes for Shopify 404 error. 1. Check if the page product exists. Go to Shopify admin products, pages, blogs. Confirm the product, page, or collection exists and is published. 2. Fix broken or outdated links. Update any links pointing to deleted products pages. Use Shopify's built-in URL redirect tool to fix broken links. Steps: go to Online Store, Navigation, URL Redirects. Click Create URL Redirect. Enter the old URL, the 404 one, in the first box. Enter the new working URL in the second box. Click Save Redirect. Check for URL mistakes. Shopify URLs are case-sensitive and must match exactly. Double-check spelling, dashes, and slashes. Offer 4. Restore deleted products or pages. If you deleted a product page or blog post and people are still accessing the old link, either recreate it at the same URL or redirect it to a similar live product/page. Notch 5. Fix navigation menu links. Go to Online Store, Navigation. Click the relevant menu, e.g. Main Menu. Edit any menu items that point to missing or outdated URLs. 6. Custom domain issues. If you're using a custom domain, make sure your DNS records are pointing correctly to Shopify. Check if the domain is properly connected under Settings, Domains. 7. App conflict or theme errors. Some apps or custom themes may create links that don't exist. Try switching temporarily to a Shopify default theme, e.g. Dawn, and test the link.